So guys, we're going to be using a software called Display Fusion. The link to it is going to be down below in the description. And you can also buy it and download it from Steam as well. But I'm sure that you guys don't want to just buy a random software, so we're going to get the free trial, and if you like it, then you can buy the software. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I actually use this program every single day. I have it right here in my taskbar, and I've used it for a few years now, and I like it myself, so you guys might like it as well. So we're going to be downloading the free trial. Now we're going to scroll down, and then click on download and install it now. Wait for this to load, and now we're going to click on this to install it, and then click on yes, and now you want to select your language, and then click on OK, and then click on I accept, and then click on next, and then click on next again, and then choose your install location, and then click on next, and then click on next again, and then select use trial version, and then click on next, and then click on next again, and then click on install. It's now going to start installing. And then you're going to tick launch now, and then click on finish. And now you're going to double click on Display Fusion to open it up. And then once you're in Display Fusion, now you're going to go to the Functions tab. And now in this box right here that says Filter, you're going to type in Deactivate. And now this will come up. Prevent window deactivation. Double click on this. And now you just want to set your keybind. What this does, whenever you click on your keybind, it's then going to stop your cursor from going off your screen. So my keybind is Control and Enter. So I selected Control as my first key, and now for my second key it's going to be Enter. You can make it any key right here that you want. You can type in like Q, W, E, you can make it anything. But in my case, I'm going to hit Enter on my keyboard. So now it's going to be set to Control, Enter. So every time I click on Control, Enter on my keyboard, my cursor is going to stop going off my monitor. So now I've selected my keybind, which is going to be Control, Enter, and then I'm going to click on OK, and then click on Apply. Okay guys, it turns out that I already had Control Enter set as a different keybind for something else. So instead, I made my keybind Alt plus O. So now I'm going to click on OK, and then click on Apply. So now my keybind is going to be Alt plus O. So now, if I click on Alt O on my keyboard, you're going to be hearing a noise. But just so you know, this is going to be a loud noise. You can turn it down afterwards. So now I'm going to click on Alt O. I hope you guys heard that sound. Now, this noise means that my cursor is not going to go off my monitor, and I can't move it past this point. However, if I do Alt plus O on my keyboard again, I hope you guys heard that noise. Now my cursor will go off my main monitor. So yeah, that's how you do it. So once you set your keybind, you want to click on Apply, then OK. Then you just want to press on your keybind. Once you hear that first noise, your cursor is not going to go off screen. And if you want to turn it off, then click on your keybind again till you hear that second noise.